Let's look back at AMD. Really big drop down there. There's AMD on lows. Gonna go ahead, let's see here, that's from the 50 cent up to 20s, so that's 70 cents. 116.50s. Gonna try to short up here in the 116.50s on this AMD. Look for a trip back down to lows. If we can get it up here. Just about reaching my... Oh, I did not get filled. Or was I? Oh, I did get filled. I did get filled. I'm short at 59 cents in AMD. Big pop in AMD up to that level in the footprint. Like to see these 30s give up. Have some covers in front of the hole. Got filled for a partial there. See if we can swoop underneath the hole here. We did. Didn't get filled for my other partial, so I'm going to take it right there. Now I have half of my position left. And what do we get up to? 1680. Risk is covered. Next stop is going to be near low of days or back down below the 70s, 60s. So let's go ahead and set one down there. And down there. See if we get this or if we'll get stopped out on AMD. Bouncing back up to my entry price, that's okay. I'm not giving it a ton of room up here. AMD can be really nasty. We are starting to perk up here. I would like to see a breakdown below 116 in the next few minutes. Might get stopped here. Looking back over at Facebook, Facebook was on lows 219.15 low a day. Low on Facebook. Let's see what this AMD wants to do. Doesn't want to come in. Looks like 20 cents was involved there. Don't really want to see it in the 60s, but gonna let it work for a little bit more. So Facebook looking vulnerable. Looks like this AMD might come to stop me out. She really needs to make its way under 116 here very quickly. We're gonna have luck. Let's see what we get down here. That's pretty good. No follow through there. Like to see it come crack that 116, like next few seconds or minutes here. Like that, that's better. Still want to hold on to my half of my position that I have. Like to see how far down we can get. Can we crack that 116 or the 1590s and move lower? I think we can. Here down into the 70s. Looking better and better. The 60s we got. I think I was at 66 and I did not get filled. What did we make it down to there? We made it down to 66, and that was me on the bid at 66. We did not get filled. There's Facebook on lows. Market not yet rolling over. Let's see if I get the 66s this time. I did get the 66s that time. I'm going to cancel my stop. And now at this point, I'm setting a break even on the remainder of my shares. I do have a cover out here right in front of 115. Wondering if we can get down there. Let's see, this Facebook did crack. Wonder if this AMD can get down there to 115s. Getting pretty close. Down to 14 cents is where I was. Where did this get down to? It got down to 15 cents. So, doing that kind of thing right now. Big bounce. If it pops or drops back down to the 20s and doesn't break down, I'm just going to cover it down there. See what it looks like on this attempt. Got down to the teens, and I got filled down there, right in front of 115. So, pretty nice trade. The reason I don't want to hold a core here is because the daily is just not speaking to me for a run right now. But I will go ahead and set a marker. This was intended to be more of a scalp on the open. It did drop new low a day, but covered my risk and got a good portion out down to the move. Entry was pretty surgical too, so happy with that trade.